the keyboard sounds like. So this has got to be the coolest way to display a keyboard that I have ever seen. So today we're going to be taking a quick look at the AG75 Pro. And I'm just going to open this box here. So let's see how it looks and just take a look at that. That is pretty sick, just the way that it's looking and how it's displayed. All right, so I will pop this out of here. You can just see what that looks like. Oh my goodness, this is much heavier than I expected it to be. So close-up look at these keys right here. Cute little animals on the enter. I think that's a little bunny down there. This is so cute. Up there, bunny on the escape. So I just took the wrapping off. Now you can get a better look of what this keyboard looks like. Oh my goodness, just take a look at that. And again, this keyboard is like so heavy. This is what the keyboard sounds like. So what else is in this case here? We have this 30-second quick operational guide. You take a look at the back, a couple of keyboard shortcuts. Lift this divider. It's down here. We have a box. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have the USB to Type-C cable. So we have this tool that you could use to get in between the keyboards and then pull them out for cleaning or replacement purposes. All right, let's see what's in this box here. Okay, looks like we have some extra switches, cleaning cloth in here as well. So I'm just gonna keep those in there for the future. All right, and just to give you guys an idea of what this looks like, I turn off my lights so you can see the beautiful colors that you could see with this keyboard. And you could also mess with the different lighting effects. You could hold FN and then I to switch the different lighting modes, as you can see here. Now it's just this wavy one, and we're just gonna be going through them. Take a look at that. Going to be going through a bunch of different ones, and I also changed my mic setup just so you guys could actually hear how the keys sound. We have this one here. Just a bunch of different options that you could go through, and you just go and pick your favorite. It's the hard one here. And you could also hold FN and then page down just to change the colors. It's like this. Oh, take a look at that. Beautiful. So yeah, it's either FN, page down, or FN I, just to cycle through all the different options. Take a look at that. That's so cool. And, you know, page down to change the color. You cycle through the different modes by FN plus I, and then you cycle through different colors with FN plus page down. That's what I meant. Take a look at that. Going through the red. Let's see. A little bit of a wave effect right there. Go through a bunch of different options here. Cycling through. And this one's pretty neat too. It sounds like raindrops. And this one just pulsing through. Off. Oh, and then you could just, this one appears to be the one that you could click around. And again, FN page down, change the color. So now we're going with green right here. So yeah, that's how that is liking FN page down once again. And we got yellow, FN page down. Now we got blue going on. And FNI once again, going through to the next option here. Looks like I skipped that one. Ooh, look at that. And I just realized I'm pressing a bunch of keys on my actual computer there, so it was just a bunch of random keys going. But there we go. Then we got the hard solid once again. FN page down, cycle through until you find the color that you want. You could also adjust the brightness, how bright you want the backdrop to be. But just going through and picking your colors, that is just pretty neat. Okay, so now I'm going to be doing a little bit of a typing test. Not going to be talking, just so you guys could hear the keys properly. So here we go. And there you go. So that in a nutshell is this keyboard, and like I said in the beginning, this is a very dense and heavy quality keyboard. If you're looking for something like this, then I would highly recommend it. And full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this video.